Hi guys, in today's video I am going to show you how you can order clothes from Fashion Nova. So first you need to search this Fashion Nova in any browser and open the first website, that is fashionnova.com. And once you are on that website, you need to first create your account. I already created and I want to order formal dresses. So once you are on this page, that is woman formal dresses, so let's suppose I want to purchase this. Click on quick add 1x, and after that this item will be added into cart. So now I'm going on to my cart. So it is showing me my bag. Okay, if you have any discount code, you simply need to apply here. Here you can see that get $25 off on 100 plus order, use this code. But I only added one item. Then you simply need to click on proceed to checkout. And now we are on the checkout page. My email address is already shown here. You simply need to select your country, your first name, your last name, your complete address, and here you can see your payment method. You simply need to add your credit card, your card number, your expiry date, and your complete detail. And if you want to use PayPal, select PayPal, click on pay with PayPal, and after that your payment will be made and your order is placed. So this is the process how you can order clothes from Fashion Nova. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.